Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome once again to my channel, Realtor from Dubai. I was speaking to one of my prospects last month and he told me that he wants to buy a property in a community which has a good accessibility, especially to the metro. It should have some schools in the vicinity. The community should have parks, shopping center, and he personally enjoys playing golf. So he told me that if we get a golf, that would be a plus. So after listening to his requirement, I asked him, so are you looking to buy in a family oriented community? He said yes. After that, he told me one more thing, that the community should be affordable as well. And after listening to all his requirements, which is an affordable family oriented community, I just blinked once and got him here, Dubai Hills Estate. Dubai Hills Estates is a community which has got something for everyone. It has got investment options and it has got some luxury living properties as well. So, in today's episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, I'm going to tell you why Dubai Hills Estates is the most famous family oriented community. So, let's begin. A community can be called as family oriented only if that community fulfills needs of every family member. And how does Dubai Hills Estates does that? Let's find out. Each family member has their own different needs, but there is one need which is common, and that is accessibility. Dubai Hills Estates is located on Al Khail Road, which is just minutes away to Sheikh Zayed Road. 5 minutes to the metro station, 10 minutes to downtown Dubai, 15 minutes to Dubai Marina, and 20 minutes to Dubai International Airport makes the accessibility of this community even better. Now let's move on to the youngest members of the family, the kids. Though the kids always want to go out and play the entire day, we also need to look at the education of the kids. And Dubai Hills Estates has got everything. It has got one of the largest residential park in Dubai, which is equal to 30 football fields. Dubai Hills Estates has got three best educational institutes of Dubai: GEMS Wellington Academy, GEMS International School, and King's School Al Barsha. After kids, if you are living with your old age parents, then healthcare is of prime importance. And King's College Hospital, which is located inside Dubai Hills Estates, is taking care of the entire requirement of your healthcare. Ladies in the house, we all know your love for shopping. And with Dubai Hills Mall coming up with 650 plus retail outlets, I'm sure your all shopping needs are taken care of. We also know your love for fitness, and that's why there are multiple gyms across the communities and within the parks. Now, since all the needs of kids, parents, and wives are already fulfilled, the men in the house are already happy. However, we also have got an 18-hole championship golf course for them where they can relax and play their game. Also, you can sweat it out on one of the 14 tennis courts across the community. So now we can say that Dubai Hills Estates is an entirely family oriented community. Now let's look at what are the options Dubai Hills Estates has got to offer. Dubai Hills Estates has got 3, 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses and independent villas in the community with the starting price of 2.3 million dirhams in a community Maple, going up to a 5 million dirham independent villa in a community called Sidra. If If you are looking for apartments, Dubai Hills Estates has got multiple options of apartments with the price starting as low as 800,000 dirhams. Now, Dubai Hills Estates also got some luxurious options, including villas on the golf course with the starting price of 6 to 7 million dirhams. Dubai Hills Estates is majorly ready community with most of the properties being occupied. You also have got an options of under construction properties where you can choose your property. Remember the requirements that I told you in the beginning of this video? Dubai Hills Estates has got an easy accessibility. It has got schools within the community. It has got healthcare facility within the community. It has got parks, shopping center and a golf course as well. So we can say that it's a completely family-oriented community with an affordable pricing. And that is the reason the prospect of last month is now my existing customer. If you still have any queries regarding Dubai Hills Estates, call me on my number 971-54771-7848. You can DM me on my Instagram, which is Realtor from Dubai. If you find this video helpful and informative, like the video, comment your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment box below, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that will motivate me to make such videos in the future as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Sunday with yet another episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.